When it comes to welding, choosing the right process isn't just technical. It directly affects the strength, appearance, and cost of your parts. At Swisher Contract Manufacturing, we use TIG, MIG, and MIG Pulse welding to match the right method to your needs. TIG welding gives us the precision and control needed for high-finish parts. Think stainless components, thin-gauge materials, or anything where visual appearance and detail matter. TIG welding gets your parts leaving our shop looking as good as they function. MIG welding is perfect for high-volume production and heavier steel components. It's fast, consistent, and cost-efficient, helping us meet tight timelines without sacrificing strength. This way you get reliable throughput and dependable weld integrity. MIG Pulse welding bridges the gap. It allows us to weld materials with better heat control, cleaner results, and less spatter. Perfect for parts that demand both quality and volume, this gives us cleaner welds, less rework, and better consistency at scale. Bottom line? We don't believe in one-size-fits-all. Whether you need cosmetic perfection, production speed, or a balance of both, we've got the right welding process for your part and your project. Let's talk about how we can help you hit your specs, your timeline, and your budget.